Abu Dhabi's IHC is looking to offload, its stake in two Adani companies, which is Adani Green and Adani Energy Solutions. Now, we don't know what the details of that transaction is going to look like, but from at least from what I'm reading, that it has landed a buyer for the stake sale, although it has not revealed at what price it will sell the stake and to whom it will sell the stake. Now, IHC was one of the marquee investors that had been investing in, Adani group of companies back in 2022. They pumped in about $2 billion in three Adani group companies, including Adani Energy and Adani Green. Adani Enterprise was another one. They even were participating in the FPO which Adani Enterprise was going to launch. However, it was scrapped, as we know. So I think it was a major dampener for the stock, and as a result, we saw about a 1% or so correction in both the counters today. And it looks like, I mean, if you look at the year-to-date returns or the returns that both the stocks have given since the Hindenburg report came out, they are still about 50% or so down from the price levels, back in January. So, and now the recovery has also not been that strong.
All right, the recovery is not strong. Kranti, what's the rationale behind IHC diluting its stake in Adani Energy and Adani Green? Is it not seeing the same value in the two companies as it did back in 2014 and 15?
Shweta, one thing here is they could able to find a buyer to exit. So it is one man gain is the other man loss. So we don't know the reason for IHC because they were quite active with respect to the Adani's rights issue. Also, they were quite active in Adani Enterprises rights issue. They were one of the key subscribers. So for the issue. We don't know the exact factors. What led them to exit from these investments. But one good thing is they are not going to dump the stock in the open market. They could able to do a negotiated deal. But we don't know the buyer at this point of time. So just wait and watch how the developments that are going to take place in Adani Group is concerned.
Now, Kranti, you said that it will be someone's loss and someone's gain. Who is the loser here, IHC or the buyer?
So definitely, okay. If the stock rises after this transaction, IHC will be the loser.
I mean, it's still down 50% from January levels, no? So do you expect some sort of pullback, given that SEBI's decision also is expected to come out in the next couple of weeks or so?
I'm assuming you're calling IHC the loser here. That is my assumption. Or is it the winner?
Yeah, well, we need to next. We need to give some time to determine who is the winner and who is the loser. But the point I am going to mention here is the group nature. The stocks are high beta always in nature. So the people who like this kind of volatility, who likes these kind of movements, high beta nature, Adani Group stocks are suitable. It's not for the people who don't want the volatility. Whenever any investor picks up stocks in Adani Group, they need to embrace the volatility and nature of the market.